your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Attention sky watchers, this evening we're going to have a treat. The International Space Station will be visible for 6 minutes from 9:06 to 9:12. You're going to want to look to that west-northwest sky about 41 degrees above the horizon. You're going to see a fast, non-blinking object flying across the sky, and that will indeed be the International Space Station. You know, a lot of these viewings of the ISS are about 3 to 4 minutes long. This one's 6 minutes. It's a pretty long viewing. All right, here's a look at the regional view. We have showers and thunderstorms south. We have showers and thunderstorms west. Eventually, these showers and thunderstorms that surround us are going to get here, and that will likely happen a little bit tomorrow and more as we head really into the Friday and weekend time frame. Let's show you future tracker, and again, a stray shower this evening is possible. Don't be too concerned about getting wet tonight. The vast majority of us will be dry. Highest likelihood to have a stray shower or thunder shower will be our western mountains. As we look at Thursday, Thursday starts dry with sunshine. But as we head into Thursday afternoon, as soon as 1 o'clock, clouds will start to build a little bit. Going to have some hit or miss thunder showers developing. Best chance again will be in areas along and west of the Parkway. Not to say you're going to be completely dry in Lynchburg and South Side tomorrow and tomorrow evening, but your chance is lower than it will be in the NRV and Highlands. Any activity tomorrow ends by around 10 o'clock, and then the rest of tomorrow night, we're just partly cloudy. Friday's going to start out with a mix of sun and clouds, but as we head into Friday afternoon, as soon as 11 a.m. or noon, we're going to start to see some scattered showers developing. Those scattered showers become more stormy as we head into, say, the 2, 3 o'clock hour on Friday. So again, as we go into Friday, the chance for rain goes up for us, about a 60% chance as we head into Friday and Saturday. Into the tropics we go. Things are still pretty quiet. We've had 3 storms this season, none of which have impacted the United States. Nothing immediate is scheduled to form here over the next 5 to 7 days, but this stat is a little sobering. 85 to 90% of the storms, well, they generally form after July. As we go into August, and especially as we go into September, that is when the tropical season really starts to ramp up. So it's likely only a matter of time before the tropics start to get a little more active. 91 right now, Lynchburg, also in Danville, 89 Roanoke, and also into Martinsville, mid to upper 80s out across the New River Valley. Where summer ranks so far? Well, it's been the 3rd hottest in Roanoke. In Lynchburg, it's been the 5th hottest. So in Roanoke and Lynchburg, we are in the top 5 hottest summers that we've ever had, and we have time to get these numbers up or down. Probably up over the course of the next 1 to 2 weeks. Overnight lows tonight anywhere between about 64 and 72. Your 3-day zone by zone forecast showing highs in the 80s for the next 3 days. Make it close to 90 in Covington and Clifton Forge tomorrow. Then you fall into the middle 80s Friday and Saturday. Hot spot south side next 3 days, 90 to 95. For Lynchburg, your chance for rain goes up Friday and Saturday. About a 60% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then about a 30 to 40% chance of some hit or miss activity in the afternoon and evening, Sunday into the middle part of the next work week. 90s tomorrow, upper 80s in Roanoke, Friday through Sunday. Then we're back up to near 90 Monday and Tuesday of next week.